Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna reveal a little secret to getting ahead of 99.5% of the population. And it's not what you think. This isn't another cliche video telling you the secret of success is to wake up early, work hard, work longer, be productive, focus more, meditate, drink matcha tea, write a to-do list, have goals, monk mode, and the list goes on and on. No. The harsh reality that you probably realize by now is that none of that will actually make you super successful. Mark Zuckerberg didn't become a billionaire because he did 30 press-ups every morning and had goals. Everyone has goals. Your local bus driver has goals. Bill Gates didn't become successful because he woke up early one morning and practices monk mode. My cleaner wakes up early and is focused, but she isn't a multi-billionaire. Elon Musk didn't become successful because he meditated and worked longer hours. Yoga instructors meditate. Nurses work long hours. Most people are trying to work harder. So that must be the secret, right? Having goals and working hard. It's funny because some people literally look at what supplements and diet these billionaires eat and think that's the reason why they're so successful. Warren Buffett eats McDonald's and drinks Coca-Cola on a regular basis. The most successful people didn't get to where they are because of their morning routine or productivity hacks. They became successful by coming up with a unique and controversial idea that challenged the norm, and then executing it on a massive scale. You need to follow 3 steps. Firstly, come up with a different and unique idea. Secondly, make sure your idea is correct. And thirdly, take massive action and execute it on a massive scale. The truth is, most people never come up with a unique or different idea and tend to follow the crowd and agree with what their friends think. But in order to have that unique idea that's different from everyone else, you kind of need to be a little delusional, or at least that's how you'll be perceived by everyone else because no one else has done what you want to achieve. And here's the thing, coming up with the idea can make you seem a little crazy to others, but that's okay. You need to have an unwavering focus on your goal and be willing to ignore anyone who says you're delusional or obsessive. You need to realize just having dreams and ideas won't get you anywhere. Everyone has dreams. Your kindergarten teacher has dreams. The postman has dreams. Uber drivers have dreams. Everyone has dreams, guys. Having dreams doesn't differentiate you. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. What you actually need is a contrarian idea so groundbreaking that just thinking you can pull this off can come across as arrogant to anyone with average goals. You probably hear comments like, how dare you think you can do that? Who do you think you are? Do you think you're better than everyone else? When embarking on this journey. And that's fine, but guess what? You need to have unwavering belief in yourself and your potential to achieve great things. But not only that, you need to be correct about your contrarian idea, despite the people that will mock and ridicule you. But here's the catch. The thing is, most of these contrarian ideas are usually wrong or just downright embarrassing. It takes a lot of courage to go against the norm and prove others wrong. But that's exactly what separates the most successful people from the rest. They take risks and put their reputations on the line to execute on their correct contrarian idea. And chances are you're gonna fail and fail again, but it's all part of the process. But for argument's sake, let's just say that you managed to pull it off. You then need to execute it massively, and that's where most people stop and give up. And that is what separates the top 1% because they have a relentless drive to make it work no matter what. Achieving extraordinary success is not just about working hard because anyone can do that. The real challenge is being a correct contrarian. It requires the courage to question commonly accepted beliefs and consider new ideas that disrupt the status quo, and having the tenacity to stick to them even when people laugh and mock you. Everyone thought Steve Jobs was crazy when he decided to create a personal computer. And back in the 80s and 90s, computers were enormous and only used by large corporations. But Steve Jobs had a contrarian idea and he executed it massively. And now we all carry a small computer in our pocket. But Jobs didn't get there by waking up early every day or by drinking green tea and eating broccoli. He was a contrarian who believed in his vision even when his colleagues ousted him and thought he was crazy. And take Elon Musk, for example, who disrupted multiple industries. He co-founded PayPal, revolutionized the automobile industry with Tesla, and is pushing the boundaries of space travel with SpaceX. In the late 90s, the online payment space was dominated by big players like Visa and MasterCard. Elon Musk saw an opportunity to disrupt disrupt this industry by creating a digital wallet, PayPal, that allowed people to send and receive money online. His idea was considered crazy at the time, but today PayPal has over 300 million active users and was valued at over $300 billion. When Elon Musk started Tesla, the automobile industry was dominated by big players like Ford and General Motors, who were resistant to change. But Elon Musk saw an opportunity to disrupt the industry with electric cars. He believed that electric cars were the future, and he was right. Tesla was worth over $700 billion, and it's one of the most innovative companies in the world. When Elon Musk started SpaceX, the space industry was dominated by government agencies like NASA. But Elon Musk saw an opportunity to disrupt this industry by creating a private space exploration company. And today, SpaceX has sent rockets and spacecraft to the International Space Station and has even launched satellites into orbit. Elon Musk disrupted all of these industries with his contrarian ideas. He saw opportunities when others saw obstacles, and was willing to take risks when others were not, and that is what separates him from the rest. Now, after watching this video, you might have decided to settle for a more comfortable life that covers your expenses. However, if you aspire to be part of the top 0.5% of successful individuals, ask yourself if you're truly willing to do what others are not. Are you willing to sacrifice your leisure time and devote almost every moment to pursuing your crazy dream? If you're willing to take the risks that others won't, you can achieve what others can't. But just know that you won't reach the 0.5% top performer status by just waking up early and having goals. Like I said, everyone has goals, even your local mailman. So don't fall for the cliches about success that you see in all of the become successful videos online. Be willing to have a contrarian idea, be correct about it, and execute it on a massive scale. But just remember, becoming hugely successful is not easy, and it most definitely isn't for everyone. If your goal is just to buy a big crib, a Lambo, and pop bottles in the club to flex, there's simpler ways to get there. But is that really what you want? Pursuing success purely for its own sake won't bring lasting happiness. It's important to ask yourself why you want to be successful. And that is the key question that will give you the answers you need and the motivation to achieve your goals. And guys, if you like what you're seeing, like and subscribe, and comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for the next video. Thank you.